Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to TRD Thursday at Mike Johnson's Hickory Toyota. This is Nathaniel, and today I'll be featuring this custom 2020 SR5 TRD Off-Road Tundra. This is one of our custom builds. Let you guys take a quick look at it, go over it a little bit more in detail here shortly. But welcome to TRD Thursday, and we'll hop in to get a little bit better look at the 2020 Tundra TRD Off-Road. Starting here in the front, the 2020 Tundra does get a few upgrades. We'll go ahead and start off here in the front. Notice the headlights have a black sport trim finish to the headlights. That's new for 2020. You've got LED headlamps as well as LED fog lamps standard on the 2020. Like I said, this particular Tundra is a custom build for us. You've got XD wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich All-Terrain Tires. You've got the blackout kit, where you've got the blacked out emblems here and here. Your Predator Pro bars. Again, you've got blacked out emblems. This Tundra also has our trifold cover. This trifold cover is very popular with our guests. It actually has built-in LED lamps in there. The Tundra does come standard with a tow kit or tow package. You've got your trailer brakes, your hitch. Backup camera, of course, is standard. You've got the soft open tailgate, bed liner already installed. Right up here, you see the LED lights on the trifold bed cover. Now, when I first started working here at Toyota, I really didn't know anything about the Tundra. Let me tell you, when you get in one of these things, they are awesome. It's a full-size truck in the line, same line with the F-150 Chevy Silverado. However, the Tundra's got class-leading seating capacity. This is the CrewMax version. It's got tons of space back here. It's actually got more space back there than a lot of passenger cars and SUVs. Got split folding seats. Got your AC vents back here. Dual USB chargers. Let's go up here up front. These are your controls for your cargo lights, automatic high beams, power rear window. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. The new Tundras do come with smart key push button start, which is really cool. A lot of guests have been asking for that feature, so we brought it out in 2020. You've got a larger LED screen or larger screen here on your Intune. Go ahead and crank this up. Got a standard 8-inch screen up here. Got dual USB chargers down there. The off-road, of course, the TRD models, you get the TRD stamp on the shifter. Talked about this last week a little bit, or on Tuesday. You've got lane departure. Also featured on Tech Tuesday is your dynamic radar cruise control. I love those features on the new cars. Look here, huge 8-inch display. You've got your integrated GPS. Since this is an SR5, it does have the cloth fabric seats, which is still a very nice look. This particular vehicle comes with 4 years of service. That's what that Toyota Guard Platinum means whenever you see that on a vehicle. You've got really nice carpet mats here with the TRD logo. On your mirror, you've got your home link on your mirror. Of course, home link is where you can program your garage door. Also up here you see the SOS button. This feature is used for your safety connect and your service connect with your Toyota vehicles, which with the 2020 Tundra you actually get a 10-year trial of the Toyota Safety Connect. It's really nice. I really like what we're doing with these custom builds, giving guests the opportunity to buy a custom vehicle without having to go out and spend a whole lot of money after the fact. Take a step around this. Now this color is the Celestial Sky Silver, our regular silver color. We'll take a look here at the window sticker on this. You can see there are a couple options on this vehicle. The TRD off-road package, which gives you the skid plate for the fuel, the engine, gives you the Bilstein shocks, LED lights. You also get the premium audio with that TRD package. The SR5 upgrade package gives you a 38-gallon tank. Get a little bit more fuel for your trip. This vehicle as equipped is $57,849. If you're interested in this vehicle, love the opportunity to take a test drive with you, get you some additional information on it. This vehicle is available for purchase or lease. Again, it's TRD Thursday, featuring a 2020 TRD off-road SR5 CrewMax Tundra. Another thing I want to tell you about is that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard on the 2020. Look at that. Beautiful. If you guys like the video, give me some likes, give me some hearts. I'll also post this on my YouTube page. You can check it out there on YouTube. And if you're interested in a test drive, just hit me up, DM me, and I'll take you out on a test drive. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on Tuesday for Tech Tuesday.